Come with me to our 6th annual Snap Partner Summit, the place to get the inside scoop on Snapchat's latest features and products. Hosted at the Barker Hangar in the heart of sunny Santa Monica, it's the one day a year where we bring together our community of partners, creators, and developers to share new products and celebrate the Snapchat community.
I was here before the doors even opened.
Level 10, excited for Snapchat.
We kicked off with Keynote, where Evan and Snap leaders announced exciting new Snapchat features, partnerships, progress to our AR platform, and last but not least,
today, we're introducing the 5th generation of Spectacles. With Spectacles and Snap OS, we're freeing people from being stuck to their screens and empowering people to use technology together with their friends and family out in the real world.
Oh my gosh, my favorite part of watching the keynote was the announcement of the Spectacles.
I love how lightweight this is, and I think it's pretty fashionable too.
We want to have our city council meetings via Spectacles from now on.
In terms of augmented reality, it gets even more exciting, right? We're starting to overlay the internet onto the world.
And speaking of augmented reality, the event was decked out with first-of-its-kind Snap AR activations, including an AR dome attendees could interact with via our brand new Spectacles.
So you can walk up, scan your Snap code, it'll put you in the swag, you can then collect the swag and walk out with your new fit. From the tech side, this thing is a brand new activation we made for Bitmoji, and we're really happy to showcase it here at SPS.
I got these awesome pictures that I just took with the new Snapchat AI. Down here I have the blonde hair, nice smile, crew neck on.
The day was filled with excitement as we were reminded what makes Snapchat so special, our community.
I'm just really grateful to be here to really connect with other like-minded folks that we can continue to connect the dots with as it relates to Snap's philanthropic work.
As a mother and as somebody who uses Snap myself, if I want to stay connected with my kids, I'm so excited that you guys have chosen Barker Hangar. I'm so excited that Santa Monica is your home.
I just love Snapchat because on Snapchat, baby, I can be 100% me.
To learn more about our latest SPS announcements, head to newsroom.snap.com.